But once I put the Yoshimura pipe on here, the bike finally sounds like how it feels. Imagine watching a movie with a boring soundtrack or bland soundtrack or no soundtrack. Imagine watching a porno on mute. Heaven forbid, heaven forbid. So the person you're with, if you're having intercourse, let's say, I'll just use a kind of a more of a polite, refined word, intercourse, nobody likes a dead fish. So I think there's a lot of similarities and parallels in these analogies to motorcycles. We need that feedback. Nobody likes vanilla. And if you do like vanilla, you're probably watching a video about minivans and not motorcycles. Aftermarket pipe can add just that little bit of zest, a little bit of excitement. That's really reflection, or it should be reflection, or commensurate with the character, the power, the torque of the bike that you're riding. I don't know about you guys, but I find a lot of similarities between motorcycles and, let's say, relationships. In this case, like, let's say a stat sheet of the bike itself and someone's online profile. It's one thing to look at the pictures and read the information or stats about a bike or a person, but you really don't know if there's going to be chemistry until you hop on her, so to speak. In this case, I found the Super 10 stats to be more exciting than in real life. She was a wildflower in her stock form, but with potential. So she just needed a makeover and a personality adjustment and could lose a little bit of flab. So we enhanced that with the Yoshimura pipe. The stock pipe, yes, very industrial sounding, like a Hoover vacuum. So household appliance, when you're getting on the throttle and you're rocking this beast, and the feedback you're getting is that of a household appliance, is not very satisfying. But once I put the Yoshimura pipe on here, the bike finally sounds like how it feels. There we go. This bike is very powerful, very torquey. So when I crack on that throttle now, it sounds like what this bike really is, which is an oversized dirt bike. Wow. As opposed to a 550-pound vacuum cleaner. Let's use the helmet cam here. Yeah, another aspect of the bike I was not super stoked about was the wind protection. Could be worse. The stock shield created quite a bit of buffeting around the ears, and so I got the V-Stream standard windshield. This P.2 deflector really makes the difference, kind of dials it in. And then I bought the Yamaha side deflectors just because my BMW had them, I figured it can't hurt. Right now, you guys tell me what you think, but right now it feels like more like a placebo than anything else. I'm not sure how helpful that is. But just to dial it in, take it over the edge, I've got the Madstad bracket so I can really have the tilting. That's adjustable just with a couple of knobs. That just got loose, okay. So tilting and then up and down, that really has made a major difference.